Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In this video, we are going to cover one of the key queries, inbuilt queries in MDX world. Okay, so which are nothing but dynamic management views. Also in the short form, we call them DMV, DM views. Okay, so these DM views are very handy and very helpful whenever you want to see what is the metadata of your cube, or if you like to prepare any standard documentation using the based on your cube. So these DM views are more helpful to get all those details. Okay, so using these DM views, we can find what are the current cubes and what are the perspectives in that particular cube solution, and also we can get all list of the dimensions for selected cube. Okay, and then also we get the list of cube attributes and which of the attributes are key attributes and which are the attributes are name columns and their respective additional properties, whether that particular attribute is visible for the user or not, and what is the format string of that particular attribute. All those details we can get. Also, in addition to that, we also get the what are the hierarchies available in the cube and their respective levels, what is the parent and child relationship between that particular attributes, and also this information also we can get the user defined hierarchies also. Okay, and then you can also get the base measure details. Okay, what are the base measures are available in the cube, and what are the calculated measures, and what are the calculated members are available in the cube. That details also we can get it. And then also we can get the dimension usage between the fact and dimensions, right? So usually whenever we want to know that what is the relationship between the fact and dimensions, we go to the cube. Under the cube we'll find the one of the tab called dimension usage tab, right? So there we can see what is the relationship between the fact and dimension, whether it's a one to one or one to many or many to many, etc., right? So all these kind of matrix view, so that we can get it in the data management views. Okay, so maybe I'll quickly show you a few examples. um, so how you can simply write. Okay, so select star from. Okay, and then we need to always use the system. Okay, system dot, and then you need to type md is nothing but multidimensional, and schema underscore dimensions. Okay, when you write this and then execute, then we get the all list of dimensions that you get it from here. In case if you like to filter any uh, column values, here you have the catalog and you have a schema name and you have a dimension name and you have a cube name and all, right? So now I want to filter the dimension name equals to account. Okay, now I execute this, then this time it will fetch only the account related dimension details. Okay, likewise you can use the filter how you write the normal SQL, right? The same way you can write the queries here to get the metadata from the cube. Okay, so let me write a few more queries. Okay, this time I want to fetch the uh, measures details. What are the list of measures are available in the my cube? So I wrote system dot md schema and measures. Okay, so in MDX, only the drawback is in MDX we don't get the intelligence, right? And normally, if you write in SQL, let's say let's go into the SQL window, and you start typing something like sys dot, then intelligence will work and try to fetch the related information, right? So same way the MDX won't work. MDX don't have any auto intelligence to display the results. Okay, so please remember that. Even DAX has the intelligence to display the intelligence, but MDX don't have any intelligence. If you have any typo error or anything, that's it. So we need to spend time and see where exactly the issue and all. Okay, so please remember that. And then come back to the topic again. So this time I want to fetch the my list of measures available under the adventure works. Now if I execute this, then I get the list of measures that you can see. Here are the list of measures, all are available in the adventure works. This is my AWDW is my database, and you can see all those measures details and what is the format of the measure and what is their format string, and is that measure is visible to the end user or not, and all these details we can get it. Okay, so I mean, these are the sample two queries that I write here, but if you want to know more queries related to the metadata, so there is a good link here. I usually follow this Benny Austin link. Okay, within that link, so you have a limited queries, but if you want to go in detailed explanation within that web link, there is a one more link with us Matilis. Okay, so if you click on this link, then it will open the other window, so where you can see detailed explanation on these metadata related queries. Okay, if anyone interested on this, please go through these links and you can explore further. I'll post these links in the description section, and then you can explore further. Okay, so this is about DM views with MDX world. Okay, so that's all for now. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.